Hello students, in this particular session I'd like to continue, that is integration of the particular function by the substitution method. Okay, now I'd like to take a one problem here. See here what I have to substitute to make the problem simple means x cube derivative. What is x cube derivative? 3x square. The 3x square is there? No. X raised to 5 derivative is 5x to the power 4. Anywhere x to the power 4 is there? Nowhere. That's why we need to simplify this one as a integral of x to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. X to the power 5 will be, x to the power 5 will be, can I write the term as, here x to the power 5 can be written as x to the power 3 x to the power 2 into dx. Getting the point clearly? Is it okay? Why I am writing this one means x cube derivative will be 3x square, x square term must be there. Got it? Now I'd like to take x cube minus 1 as a t. Okay, x cube derivative will be 3x square, derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay, now x square dx I'd like to write it as a 1 by 3 dt. Got it? After this one, here x cube is there, that substitution I need to take it as x cube as a t plus 1. Got it? Then after this one, I'd like to resubstitute all the values. X cube minus 1 as a t to the power what? 1 divided by 3. X cube is, yes, it is t plus 1. Okay. X square dx, what is x square dx? Yes, it is 1 divided by 3 dt. Got it? Then I'd like to take 1 by 3 outside. It is 1 by 3 outside. T to the power 1 by 3 into 1. It is t to the power 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 3 plus t to the power 1 by 3 into dt. Got it? Okay. In the next step, 1 by 3 as it is, t to the power 4 by 3 integral will be 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1. Okay. Like a x raised to n plus 1 divided by x n plus 1. Okay. Here t to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay. Plus c. Okay. Then the next step will be 1 divided by 3. T to the power, what will be 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 to numerator, 3 divided by 7. Okay. Plus, here it will be t to the power 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 to numerator, 3 by 4. Plus c. You can take a 3 as a common, means you can cancel it. Okay. The required solution will be 1 divided by 7, because 3 is taken outside, that is cancelled with outside term. What is t value? T value is x cube minus 1 to the power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 1 to the power 4 by 3 plus c. Got the point clearly? Okay. Focus on the next question. Here I'd like to take t as a 2 plus 3x cube as a t. Why? Because x cube derivative will be 3x square. X square term is there. Okay. Then how I have to simplify this particular part? Concentrate. 2 derivative will be 0. 3. What is x cube derivative? X cube derivative will be 3x square. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Got it? Now after this one, x square dx, this 3 into 3 will be taken right hand side. 1 divided by 9 dt. Okay. Got it? Then the next step will be integral of what is x square dx. X square dx will be 1 divided by 9 dt. It will be, remaining will be 1 divided by 2 plus 3x cube as a t. It is t to the power 3. Got it? Then the next step will be 1 divided by 9 outside. T to the power 3 to numerator. T to the power minus 3 into dt. 1 divided by 9. T to the power minus 9 will be t to the power minus 3 will be t to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Its integral it is plus c. Okay. It is 1 divided by 9. Okay. T to the power minus 2. It will, denominator will be minus 2 plus c. Okay. What about the regular answer? It is 2 into 9 into 2. It is 1 divided by 18. Okay. T to the power minus 2 taken to denominator, 1 divided by t to the power 2 plus c. What about t value? T value is 2 plus 3x cube, which is a required result. Observe the next one. Here I'd like to take log of x as a t. Why? Because log x derivative is 1 by x. Already term is there, its derivative is there. Log x derivative will be 1 divided by x. Derivative of t will be dt divided by dx. I'd like to take dx on left hand side. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Got it? Then in the next step, integral of 1 divided by, okay, what is log x? Log x as a t. It will be t to the power m. 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx can be written as dt. Got it? Then in the next step, it is integral of t to the power minus m into dt, because denominator term to numerator. What is integral of t to the power minus m? T to the power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c. I have tried the t value to the power 1 minus m. Instead of writing minus m plus 1, 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus c. What's the value of t? T value will be log of x. Got the point clearly? Observe the next example. Derivative of x square will be 2x. X is present in a numerator. For that reason, 9 minus 4x square as a t. Got it? Then 9 derivative will be 0. Minus 4 as it is, x square derivative will be 2x. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay. Now, I'd like to write x as it is. X dx on left hand side. Minus will be shifted on the right hand side. It will be minus dt divided by, that is 4 to the, it is 8. Got it? Now, integral of, what I write, x dx. What is x dx? It will be minus, means 1 divided by 8 outside. Okay. Dt will be remained inside the bracket. It will be 1 divided by, what I write, denominator 9 minus 4x square as a t. Okay. Then the next step will be, it will be minus 1 divided by 8. What is 1 by t? Integral log modulus of t plus c. Okay, na? It is minus 1 divided by t minus 1 by 8 log of modulus of, what is t value? 9 minus 4x square plus c, which is the required result. Observe the next one. Here you can solve this particular problem by the direct method as well as by substitution. Okay. Now I'd like to substitute 2x plus 3 as a t. Derivative of 2x will be 2. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. What is dx equal to? Yes, it is 1 by 2 dt. Got it? It will be integral of e to the power, what is 2x plus 3, that is as a t, dx as a 1 by 2 dt. Okay. Now I'd like to write 1 by 2 as it is. What is integral of e to the power t? It will be e to the power t plus c. Now I'd like to substitute the value 1 by 2 e to the power. What is the t value? T value is 2x plus 3 plus c, which is a required result. Focus. Here x square derivative will be 2x. For that reason, I'd like to substitute x square as a t. What is x square derivative? It will be 2x. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay. I'd like to write x dx is equal to, it is 1 by 2 dt. Okay. Now you need to substitute whatever the changes that we made here. It will be, what is x dx? X dx will be 1 by 2 dt. Okay. What about 1 divided by, what is e to the power, what it is? It is e to the power t only, because x square as a t only. Then I'd like to write 1 by 2 outside, integral of denominator t to numerator, it will be e to the power minus t into dt. 1 by 2 as it is, e to the power minus t integral will be e to the power minus t divided by minus 1 plus c. It will be minus 1 by 2 e to the power. I'd like to make a positive power, means right in the denominator. Let it be, means just substitute the value of x square plus c. Got it? Observe the next example. Here tan inverse of x derivative will be 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Because of that reason, I'd like to take tan inverse of x as a t. What's the derivative of tan inverse of x? It will be 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Got it? Dx on left hand side, 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Got it? Now I'd like to substitute in the given problem. It is integral of e to the power, what it is? E to the power tan inverse of x is t. 1 divided by 1 plus x square is nothing but a dt. Integral of e to the power t will be e to the power t plus c. E to the power, what's the t value? T value is nothing but tan inverse of x. Let it be plus c as it is. We got the answer. Concentrate on the next one. Here, e to the power 2x derivative will be 2 e to the power 2x only. Okay. But one derivative will be 0, but it is minus 1 is there. That's why I need to apply some different logic here. Okay. In the numerator, I'd like to take e raised to x as a common term. E raised to x as a common term. It will be e raised to x minus. From 1, how to take e raised to x as a common? That is 1 divided by e raised to x. E raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x. E raised to x into 1 is e raised to x divided by e raised to x. Both cancel, we got 1. Got it? In the denominator also, e raised to x taken common. E raised to x plus 1 divided by e to the power x into dx. Got it? E to the power x cancelled. It is integral of e to the power x minus denominator e raised to x to numerator e raised to minus x. Denominator will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x into dx. Observe the denominator. E raised to x is e raised to x. E raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. That's why derivative of denominator is numerator. Derivative of denominator is numerator. That's why integral of the function is log of denominator. That's why put denominator e raised to x, e raised to minus x as a t. Got it? Derivative of this term will be e raised to x plus that is minus e raised to minus x into dx is equal to dt. Instead of writing dt by dx, I am taking dx on left side. It is integral of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx will be, yes, it is dt, okay, divided by the term as a t, okay, 1 by t integral will be log of modulus of t plus c, okay, log as it is. What's the t value? I need to substitute. What is the t? It is nothing but e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Got the point clearly? In the similar way, one more problem is there, but it is in the different base. Okay, here I'd like to take denominator e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x as a t. Okay, e to the power 2x derivative will be e to the power 2x into 2 plus e to the power minus 2x will be e to the power minus 2x into minus 2. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Got it? Now I'd like to take 2 as a common term. What's the remaining? E to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x. Okay, dx on left hand side is equal to dt. Instead of writing 2, this 2 will be on the right hand side. Got the point clearly? Okay. After this one, I'd like to substitute all the values. Integral of e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x dx. This is the term. It will be dt divided by 2. What is remaining? 1 divided by, what is the denominator substitution? That is t. Okay, na? It will be 1 by 2 as it is. What is integral of 1 by t? Yes, it is log of modulus of t plus c. 1 by 2 as it is log of modulus of, what is the t value? Yes, t value is e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x plus c. Got the point clearly? Concentrate on the board. Here, the substitution that I need to take is 2x minus 3 as a t. Okay, 2x derivative will be 2, derivative of 3 will be 0. It will be dt by dx. What is dx equal to? It is 1 by 2 dt. Got the point clearly? It is integral of tan square of 2x minus 3 as a t. Dx will be as a 1 by 2 dt. Got it? Now I'd like to take 1 by 2 outside. Integral of tan square t dt. What is integral of tan square? Yes, we don't know the integral of tan square. That's why I need to make some changes by using the formula 1 by 2 as it is. What is tan square? Can I write tan square as a secant square x minus 1 into dx? Got the point clearly? Okay. Now it will be 1 divided by 2. Integral of tan square will be, it is actually t. Integral of secant square will be tan x. Okay, minus integral of 1 will be as a t. Okay, now plus c. Now I'd like to substitute the t value. Tan of t value minus t value plus c. What's the value of t? It is 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Got the point clearly? Focus for the next question. Okay, I need to take a substitution for the 7 minus 4x as a t. Got it? 7 derivative will be 0, minus 4x derivative will be minus 4. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. What is dx equal to? Minus 1 divided by 4 dt. Got it? Integral of secant square of the 7 minus 4x as a t dx as a minus 1 divided by 4 dt. Got it? Okay. Now I'd like to take minus 1 by 4 outside. Integral of secant square t dt. Okay. Now let it be minus 1 by 4 as it is. Integral of secant square will be tan of t plus c minus 1 divided by 4 tan of the t value I need to substitute. What's the value of t? That is 7 minus 4x. Okay. Got the point clearly? Next one is very simple one. Here you'll understand very clearly. I need to take for the substitution for the sin x as a t. Why? Because derivative of sin x is sin of x is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square is there in the step. Okay. Derivative of sin of x is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay. I'd like to take a dx on left hand side. 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. Got the point clearly? Now I need to substitute the values. Sin inverse of x as a sin inverse of x as a t. What is 1 divided by root 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx will be as a dt. Okay. Now integral of t will be t square by 2 plus c. Now I'd like to write 1 by 2 the value square plus c. What is the t value? Can you say? T value will be, it is sin inverse of x whole square. Got the point clearly? Focus for the next one. See here, just derivative of cos is minus, sin is there, sin derivative will be cos, but the coefficients I need to adjust here. That's why 2 cos of x minus 3 sin x, numerator as it is. Okay, in the denominator 4 and 6 I can take a 2 as a common term. Whatever the leftover part, it will be 3 cos x, okay, plus 2 sin x. Got it? Into dx. Okay. 2 as it is, derivative of sin will be cos. 3 as it is, derivative of cos will be minus sin. Means derivative of denominator is numerator. Integral of that function is log of denominator. Okay. That's why I need to take a denominator as a t. Okay. 3 cos derivative will be minus sin of x. 2 as it is, sin derivative will be cos of x into dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now I need to substitute the values. 1 divided by 2 as it is. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x is dx will be, it is nothing but a dt divided by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, it is as a t. Okay. What is integral of 1 by t? Yes, it is log of modulus of t plus c. Okay. 1 by 2 as it is, log of modulus of, what is t value? Yes, t value is 3 cos of x plus 2 sin of x. Okay. Plus c. Got it? Observe the next one. Okay. Derivative of cos square, the term is not there. Derivative of tan is secant square. That's why I need to adjust the term. 1 by cos square is nothing but a, yes, secant square. Denominator as it is 1 minus tan of x whole square into dx. Okay. Now 1 minus tan x as a t. Got it? What is 1 derivative will be 0 minus tan derivative will be secant square x. Derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay. I can write this one as a secant square x dx is equal to, minus will be shifted on right hand side, minus dt. Got it? Then the next step will be secant square dx as a, yes, it is minus dt. Okay. It will be 1 divided by, I can write minus inside only. It will be 1 minus tan x as a t. Okay. It will be t square. What is d by dx of c? D by dx of 1 by x as a minus 1 by x square, means minus 1 by t square. Integral of this function will be 1 by x. This will be 1 divided by t plus c. 1 divided by t value. What's the t value? 1 minus tan of x plus c. We got the required result. Focus on the board. In this section, this will be the last example. I'd like to take root x as a t, because root x derivative will be 1 by 2 root x, derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay, now it will be 1 divided by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Got it? Then integral of it will be cos of t. Okay, root x as a t, 1 by root x dx will be 2 dt. Okay, one more step I'd like to write here. It will be 2 constant integral of cos t dt. What's the integral of cos? Integral of cos will be sin t plus c. 2 as it is, sin as it is, t value I need to substitute. What is the t value now? T value is root x. Got the point clearly? Okay. In this session, I solved a few problems. I think you enjoyed the video. All the best.